Chemical coordination part 3rd. In this part we will study about the hormones of pituitary gland. There are many hormones secreted by different parts of pituitary gland. Number 1. Hormones of adenohypophysis. These hormones are as follows. Number 1. Growth hormone or GH or somatotrophic hormone, that is STH. Target cells of that hormone are somatic or body cells. This hormone is responsible for growth and development of body by synthesis of proteins and by division of cells. Highest secretion of GH is seen till puberty, and then its secretion becomes low. However, it is continuously secreted throughout life for repair and development of body tissue or cells. Improper secretion of growth hormone produces various disorders. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in childhood causes gigantism. It is a condition of overgrowth. In this condition, the individual attains abnormal height. When the pituitary gland produces excess growth hormone in middle-aged adults, it results in abnormal growth, causing disfigurement and enlargement of bones of nose, lower jaw, hands, fingers and feet. The condition is called acromegaly. Hyposecretion of this hormone in childhood causes pituitary dwarfism. In this condition, the child shows stunted growth. That is, growth becomes very slow. Second, thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH. Its target organ is thyroid gland. This hormone is responsible to stimulate thyroid to secrete thyroxine. Third, adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH. Its target organ is adrenal gland. This hormone is responsible to stimulate adrenal cortex to secrete their hormones, and it also controls the growth of adrenal gland. Number 4, prolactin or mammotrophin. Its target organ is mammary glands. This hormone is responsible for growth of breast during pregnancy and milk production. Number 5, gonadotrophins. Their target organs are gonads, that is ovary and testes. These are of 3 types. Number 1, follicle stimulating hormone or FSH. Target organs are ovary and testes. This hormone is responsible for growth of ovarian follicles in females and development of seminiferous tubules in males. Second, luteinizing hormone or LH. Target organ is ovary. In females, it is responsible for ovulation, that is, discharge of ovum from the ovary. It is also responsible for production of estrogen and progesterone. These are female sex hormones. Number third, interstitial cell stimulating hormone or ICSH. Its target organ is testis. This hormone is responsible for production of male sex hormone testosterone and for development of secondary sexual characters. B. Hormones of neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis stores the hormones secreted by hypothalamus. These are of two types. Number 1, oxytocin. The target organ of this hormone are uterus and mammary glands. It is responsible for contraction of uterus during parturition or childbirth. Second, it is also responsible for contraction of mammary glands to initiate release of milk. Number 2, antidiuretic hormone or ADH or vasopressin. Its target organ is kidney. It is responsible to stimulate kidney for reabsorption of water, or it stimulates reabsorption of water in distal convoluted tubule and collecting tubule of uriniferous tubules. Second, it decreases loss of water by reducing the urine quantity. Number 3, it increases blood pressure by vasoconstriction. ADH का टारगेट ऑर्गन होते हैं यूरिनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स जो किडनी के अंदर होते हैं. यूरिनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल यूरिन फॉर्मेशन का काम करते हैं. अगर इनके अंदर ज़्यादा पानी जमा हो जाता है और उसकी ज़रूरत बॉडी में होती है तो एडीएच हार्मोन किडनी को या यूरिनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स को स्टिमुलेट करता है ताकि वो एक्सेस वाटर बॉडी में वापस कर दे. इसी तरीके से ये ब्लड वेसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने का काम भी करते हैं ताकि ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़े और ब्लड फ्लो में आसानी हो. Deficiency of ADH reduces water reabsorption by kidney and increases urine output. This condition is called as diabetes insipidus. Then excessive micturition or urination causes thirst. This condition is called पॉलीडिप्सिया. अगर एडीएच बॉडी में कम होता है तो यूरिन डाइल्यूट हो जाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में बॉडी से पानी खारिज हो जाता है. इस कंडीशन को कहते हैं डायबिटीज इंसिपिडस। बॉडी से बहुत ज़्यादा यूरिन खारिज होने की वजह से प्यास का एहसास ज़्यादा होता है और ये कंडीशन कहलाती है पॉलीडिप्सिया। नंबर सी, हार्मोन ऑफ पार्स इंटरमीडिया। There is one hormone of pars intermedia that is called as melanocyte stimulating hormone or MSH. Its target organ is skin. This hormone is responsible for skin pigmentation or skin color in some lower vertebrates. Because this hormone stimulates the skin to develop a black colored pigment called as melanin, and this melanin gives color to skin.